Okay, let's go hide those bobbleheads. The Strength Bobblehead. Where can you get such strength? How about at the Chula Vista Elite Athlete Training Center? This is where the Olympians train. This is where they get their strength. And where you can get a strength bobblehead. The Silver Strand in between Coronado and Imperial Beach. A popular destination for bikers and runners. Takes some endurance to go along this trail. Here in Coronado, not far from the Naval Air Base. There are certainly some explosives here, but the security there told me I just can't leave things there. So, not far from the Naval Air Base is this geocache birdhouse. Find it here. Intelligence can be found at schools and universities. Find this intelligence bobblehead at the San Diego State University. Yep, a lot of smart people here. And you can gain knowledge here. But can you gain a bobblehead? Alright, the barter bobblehead. Where else to barter than Kobe swap meet? Yep, Kobe swap meet. Get a deal here and barter. And barter your way here to this bobblehead. It takes some flexibility to gain agility, and you can find that at the Circus Center in San Diego, the San Diego Circus Center. Alright. Where would be a good place to give a speech? How about the Spreckles Organ Pavilion in Balboa Park? Yeah, a lot of people can gather here and listen to a speech. Why, President Herbert Hoover gave a speech here. So yes, find the speech on the stage of the Organ Pavilion. The Midway Aircraft Carrier. It is itself a heavy weapon, fitting for the heavy weapons bobblehead. Right here. This would be where Comic-Con would happen if the pandemic wasn't happening. But every year, this is where the biggest convention of them all happens. At the convention center. And probably there are a few break-ins every now and then. So, what says break-in better than the lock-picking bobblehead? Gotta look close for this one. Let's see, the three most important documents this free society gives are a birth certificate, a passport, and a library card. How about a sneak bobblehead? Because it's the one place, because the library, the San Diego Public Library, a place where it's best to be quiet. Here in wonderful Chicano Park, under the Coronado Bridge, and I figured here in Barrio Logan, just a fitting place for these small guns. Yes, where it's under right by this revolutionary. I'd rather die on my feet than live on my knees. Words to live by. We're here in North Park. There's a North Park hardware store, but the Family Bargain Center in North Park would be a fitting location for the Melee bobblehead, which I broke. Do excuse me. Yep, you can find some Army grade military stuff here. Maybe they can be melee weapons you can use. Let's put it right here. Yeah, let me get that, set that up. Alright, the energy bobblehead I have brought to iHeartMedia, which I am sure uses energy to play its radio stations. In fact, you can see them right here on their cars. There's Rock 105.3, Star 94.1, Oh, they have a hip-hop station. 95.7. Oh, they have, 93.3, Jam 95.7, the KGB 101.5. Yep, they're all here. Okay, let's bring this guy to their front door. Yeah, so anyway, this has been a fun day, and I've actually gotten 3 hits. 3 of my bobbleheads have been found. Yep, the owner of someone who works at the circus center found the agility. Yep, and someone, went to the convention center and found it. Yeah, he hit me up on it. And someone who follows me did find the what you call it? Oh yeah, the sneak bobblehead at the library. Hopefully I get more. I do leave notes under these, so hope I get more responses. Okay. Yeah, how about where it says I Heart Media? I'm gonna make them question. Yeah, they're gonna wonder. Let's see, can I put it here? No, that's too narrow. Yeah, how about here? For the science bobblehead, that brings us to the Salk Institute. It's late here, and I don't want to, get security aroused, so I was gonna put it right here. Yep, this is as good of a place as any for the Salk Institute. Yep, how about here? Yep, the medicine bobblehead. Looks like a silhouette in this light. Hiding at the, if you can read that, Jacobs Medical Center here in La Jolla. Where you can get some high-grade medicine if you're sick. Gonna hide it right there. Hello, we're at the Del Mar Fairgrounds. And I have the Charisma bobblehead. Because, Bing Crosby frequented the Del Mar Fairgrounds, see the horses race, and he was very charismatic, and his music can be heard in the Fallout game. So find the Charisma Vault Boy right under this sign before you get into to the Del Mar Fairgrounds, and get vaccinated. Please get vaccinated, please. All right, I'm out in the La Mesa area. Yeah. And I brought the unarmed bobblehead to the San Diego Combat Academy, SDCA. And those, yeah, it's dark out here, so you can barely see those letters. So yeah, place to put the unarmed fighting bobblehead? Yeah, out here. Towards the east, at the San Diego Combat Academy. Well, I'm here at the 6 Point Casino. Our last stop is completing this luck bobblehead here. Yep. I'm just gonna leave it right here. Yep. Someone might get lucky at a slot machine. Some might get lucky at the table. Well, you can get lucky if you come here to Siquan. Goodbye.